Easy now, easy. Keep them steady on the right. Watch the footing, slow down.
Almost off the ramp. Steady. Okay, guide him to the pavement now.
Easy now, easy. Watch your step, big guy, come on. Maintain the pace, watch the turn. Steady, boys, steady. Easy now, easy. Keep moving straight ahead. Steady, boy, just a little further. Mind the pipe there.
Easy now, keep moving straight. Watch the left side there.
Keep him steady on the left. Watch the turn up ahead. All right, gate's clear. Walk on through, easy.
Sensor activated on schedule. Acknowledged. Data looks stable.
All right, steady. Keep walking straight.
We are clear on the right side. Easy now, watch your footing. Steady, keep moving slowly.
Back left, watch the rope. Steady, steady. Good boy.
Easy now, steady boy. Make sure you get the underside.
Yes, sir. Almost done here.
Aim the spray higher, near the shoulders.
Got it. Is the soap coming off the back?
Yeah, looking good.
Watch the pressure, he's shaking again. I see it, keep the nozzle steady.
Easy now, steady on the scale. We have stabilization at 1,250 kilograms. Okay, that's 72.55 millimeters.
Recording it now.
Water pressure looks good on the left side.
Yeah.
Acknowledged. We're clear for the rinse cycle.
This grain is exceptional.
Yes, the polish on these combs is perfect.
This section seems to be drying unevenly.
Yes, I see that. Let's increase the airflow slightly on the right side.
This section seems to be drying unevenly.
Yes, I see that. Let's increase the airflow slightly on the right side. Align the edge right here. Looks perfect. We can start the cut.
That looks dry enough. Let's move it to the conveyor.
Right, sending it through now.
Align the grain texture precisely before sealing.
Make sure the wood blocks are secure on the conveyor.
Got it. Watch the forklift coming up on aisle 3.